Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what do these green squares mean on your Nintendo Switch 2 remotes. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently got the Nintendo Switch 2 and you're wondering what these green squares are for. Well, to simply put it, these green squares indicate what player you are. So as you can see in total, there are 4 green squares. So right now, both these green squares are lit. This means that I'm player 1. Now, on this other remote here, you can see that 2 green squares are lit. This means that I'm player 2. And then on this remote here, you can see that 3 green squares are lit. This means that I'm player 3. And then on another remote, if all 4 squares were lit, that means I would be player 4. So the squares just simply mean or indicate what player you are within the game. And so there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what do the green squares mean on the Nintendo Switch 2 remote. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.